And this is why a lot of barbers won't take appointments. If you ever wonder why your barber won't take an appointment, that's why. What up, guys? D. Marie Hair here again. Understand why a lot of y'all don't take appointments, because this blows. I had a client the other day. He books at 3:30 with me. He has that 3:30 standing, right? A little bit before the 3:30, he's like, "Ooh, damn, can't make it." So he went into the booking system, moved his appointment to 5 o'clock. Something else had flipped that day, so the 5 o'clock was open, so he moved down to the 5 o'clock. Well, he missed the 3:30, and then at 5:15, I canceled his 5 o'clock because he was 15 minutes late. So at 5:20-ish, he strolls in. Can D still take me? Absolutely not. Not gonna be able to do it. So he books with a coworker of mine at 6. I want to illustrate for the client how this actually plays out for us. So that 3:30 time slot, for me at my price point, I would have made $50 on. $55 is your service point. I make about half of that, which means I make $27.50 on my check. However, my tips are typically between 12 and 20. So let's split the difference, say 16. It's $43.50 on average that I personally pocket on a $55 service. Got it? Got it. Now you did that twice. Because not only did you do it for the 3:30 time slot, you also did it for the 5 time slot. Because I couldn't take that appointment either. My time slot got eaten up. That becomes $87 that my dear friend took out of my pocket. And then one of my coworkers was open at 6. So he took the 6 o'clock time slot that she had available. And so any money that he did give to the shop, or that he ended up spending with our business anyway, didn't go to me. I was clean out of $87. One client's indecision cost me personally $87. Dear sir, you sir, client, I love you. You make me laugh. You're hilarious. We have great conversations. Your haircut is easy. You got a good texture. It always looks good when I'm done. Love you as a client. But what you ain't gonna be able to do is take $87 up out of my pocket. Not cool, man. Not cool. Clients, if you want to know why your barber is not taking appointments, this is why. A lot of barbers are afraid of this. They don't want to go through this. I think that the pros of taking appointments outweigh the cons. A lot of us don't. A lot of us don't feel that way. Guys, we ain't gonna be able to do it. Clients, we can't afford this. Or there's a cancellation fee or a late fee, then you get mad. How, Sway? How can you be upset if I tell you I need 50% of that before I see you next time? So I think that a lot of times our clients don't really understand what we're going through, right? They think that all of this is our money, and to be honest, even if I was paying booth rent, you got booth rent, you got tools, you got clipper side, you got barber side, you got new guards and combs and business cards, right? Marketing on social media, you got to pay for all of your, your repost app, you got to pay for all of those are business expenses, gas, transportation to get to the shop, maintenance on the car because you drive it back and forth to the shop, parking. There's business expenses associated with it, even if you're not paying commission like I do. If you're paying booth rent, you still got a ton of business expenses. So if you think that you take it home that whole 55, you're sorely mistaken. But with, my girl Thursday and Pharrell, we talk about that all the time. Like, y'all, if you don't run all the numbers down, you really don't know what you actually taking home. But I digress. This is why we charge a late fee. This is why we charge a cancellation fee. This is why you're going to have to put your credit card on file and prepay for your next haircut before you show up. This is why. That's $87 in one day. Let's play. Let's just play, okay? Because I'm a numbers girl. Let's play a little bit. Let's say this happened to me just once a week. Every week. You know what? And I go on vacation 2 weeks a year. So let's just say 50 weeks out of the year, I have 2 cancellations per week. At my numbers right now, if I have 2 cancellations plus tip per week and 50 weeks, that got confusing, sorry. 50 weeks a year, because I went on vacation for 2 weeks, I'm eating $4,350 per year because you can't figure out what time you could get to the shop. Guys, it's just not fair. And this is why a lot of barbers won't take appointments. If you ever wonder why your barber won't take an appointment, that's why. Barbers, if you don't take appointments, you should be sharing this video. Barbers, if you do take appointments, you should be sharing this video. This is the problem. We love y'all and we want to work with you. We really do. We love your haircut. We like seeing you. We like hearing about the new goofy shit your son is doing. We do. But we can't afford you if you're going to do this. Listen, I love y'all. Take care of each other. I'll see y'all out there in the streets. It's a grind, y'all, but let's get it. Let's get it. Let's take care of our people, all right? Love y'all.